Why can't I stop, bro? Why can't I stop? Please, God. Please. Please, God. I can't do this anymore, God. Please heal me from the sin, God. Please, I'm asking you, God. I ask for forgiveness, God. I'm sorry. I've been dealing with this for so long, God. Please forgive me for all my sins, God. I don't want to live like this anymore. I want to be free from this addiction, God. I want to be free from this lust. Amen. It's a never-ending cycle. I'll clean my room tomorrow. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. That shit fat. God damn. I'll text her later. You can wait. No. Man, I really gotta stop, bro. This is too much. Let me watch some video.
Even just beating your meat, you beat your meat, right?
I want you to record yourself jerk to porn.
Tips to stop masturbating. Spend time with others because the feeling of loneliness.
When you have a bad habit, say,
That's the drug that I personally run to or some shit like that, but that's causing it even more. When I'm feeling down, when I'm feeling stressed or something, I run to that. But running to that is causing that, so it's a repeating cycle, bro.
why is pornography bad? Pornography is bad for one simple reason, and that is that you are getting false dopamine hits from doing something that makes you feel guilty and gives you shame.
I got it. I could quit. It's not that hard. I guess one more time won't hurt. I'ma just peek. That's it. I'ma just peek at it.
Do it. It's gonna feel good. Just do it. One more time. One more time won't hurt. One more time. Just one more time. It's normal. Everybody does. It's normal. Everybody does. Start tomorrow. You can start tomorrow. Just do it. One more time. Just do it. One more time. One more time. It's natural. It's natural. It's natural. It's natural. Just do it. Do it. Come on. Do it. You're stressed. Do it. Come on. You're stressed. What's so bad about it? Just do it. Do it.
Spike, go in cage.
Do it. Donuts. I've been craving these, man. I already did it once, so I might as well do it again.